Understanding the phrase, bunny trail. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase that you might come across in conversations. Bunny trail. Have you ever heard someone say that they're going down a bunny trail? It's a phrase that's quite visual and fun, but it can also be confusing if you're not familiar with it. So, let's hop into the details and find out what it means together. The phrase, bunny trail, refers to a side topic or distraction from the main subject. Imagine a bunny hopping away from its path into the bushes. Similarly, when a person goes off on a bunny trail, they are moving away from the main point of their conversation or story. The exact origin of bunny trail is a bit hazy, but it's generally thought to relate to the behavior of rabbits. Rabbits are known for making quick and sudden turns when running or chasing each other, creating trails that are often non-linear and complicated. This behavior is a perfect metaphor for how conversations can sometimes move in unexpected directions, just like a rabbit's trail. Let's look at some examples of how to use bunny trail in conversation. We were talking about our vacation plans, but we went down a bunny trail discussing travel horror stories. In today's meeting, let's try not to go off on any bunny trails so we can finish on time. I was trying to focus on my homework, but I kept going down bunny trails reading about all sorts of unrelated topics. The concept of a bunny trail is similar to other phrases like going off on a tangent or beating around the bush. While these phrases also describe deviation from the main topic, beating around the bush often implies avoiding the subject on purpose, and going off on a tangent might suggest a longer, more extended departure from the topic. I hope this video has cleared up any confusion about the phrase, bunny trail, and you can now use it confidently in your conversations. Remember, it's a light-hearted way to acknowledge that the discussion is straying from the main point. So next time you find yourself or someone else hopping off the path, you'll know to call it a bunny trail. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to stay focused, unless you're enjoying those scenic bunny trails along the way.